Welcome to Yuki Garden. Discover the beauty of nature, gardening tips, and peaceful moments in the garden. Transform your space without breaking the bank. Think your small backyard can't look amazing on a tight budget? Think again. You don't need expensive furniture or a professional designer to create a cozy outdoor retreat. With a little creativity and smart planning, even the smallest space can feel like a private paradise. The key is to focus on simple upgrades that make a big visual impact without draining your wallet. DIY decor that makes a big difference. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your backyard is through DIY projects. Repurpose old wooden pallets into stylish seating, turn mason jars into charming lanterns, or paint your old parts for a fresh new look. These small touches add personality and warmth to your space. Plus, DIY decor not only saves money, but also gives your backyard a unique, Personal vibe you won't find anywhere else? Go green with budget-friendly plants. Plants are the heart of any beautiful backyard, and you don't need rare or expensive varieties to make it stunning. Choose low-maintenance plants, grow herbs, or even start from seeds to cut costs. Vertical gardens are also a great option for small spaces. They save room while adding lush greenery. A little bit of green can completely transform the atmosphere, making your backyard feel fresh, alive, and inviting. Create cozy corners for relaxation. Even a tiny backyard can have a cozy escape. Add affordable outdoor cushions, a small rug, or string lights to create a warm and relaxing vibe. Focus on one corner and turn it into your personal chill spot, perfect for morning coffee or evening unwinding. It's not about how big your space is, but how you use it. With the right touches, your backyard can become your favorite place at home. Thanks for watching.